Welcome to our second video on word roots illustrated. The theme for this video is the Latin root manus, which means hands, and the meanings of all the words mentioned on the tree branches, including some tricky ones like legerdemain, emancipate, manipulate, and maneuver are based on this root. So let's begin. Probably the easiest of all words based on this handy root are manual and manuscript, through which you will be easily able to learn and recall the meaning of this root. Well, manual is used for an activity that is done using our hands, and so the connection between the word root and its meaning. Now a short reading task which will cover the easiest of all words based on this root. Before the invention of the printing press, knowledge was transmitted verbally, with the exception of some scholars who used to pen down their ideas in manuscripts. The word manuscript is composed of man, meaning hand, and script, meaning to write. So the word means something that is written by hand. Even the manufacturing processes were based on manual labor performed by human beings, as back then technology was not very advanced and machines did not exist. The word manufacture is another interesting word containing another word root fact, which means to do or make. So the word originally meant to do or make with the help of hands, and nowadays it refers to any process of making a product. For example, people manufactured cloth using the spinning wheel, which was rotated with the help of hands. Moving on. In those days, the role of the manager was primarily to manage the workers under him, who used to carry out even the most complicated and labor-intensive tasks manually. And as we can see, the word manage means to handle or direct something or someone, and the one who manages or handles the various resources is called the manager. So, for instance, with no cranes at their disposal, these workers used to manhandle heavy equipment, goods, etc. at construction or production sites. As expected from this sentence, we can infer that one of the meanings of the word manhandle is to move something like a heavy object by hand with great effort. Because human resource was the most important resource to carry out any activity, the inhuman practices of slavery and bonded labor were rampant round the globe, which helped those in power exercise control over this crucial resource. To extract work out of the workers, those in charge manhandled and sometimes treated the workers like animals. Now, the more common meaning in which the word manhandle is used nowadays is to handle someone roughly by dragging or pushing him. Times have changed since, and today managers need to stick to their manners while dealing with their subordinates and colleagues. Manners, being yet another easy word relating to this root, means your behavior with others and thus social handiness of tackling a situation. And the last word, which is again an easy one, is manicure, which obviously means the cure of hands. The exact meaning would be a treatment to improve the appearance and health of the hands and the fingernails. On a lighter note, if the machines stopped working and we were to return to the manual age, then after all the hard work, workers would probably go in for a manicure to salons every day to give relief to their hands. Our next word is manacle. Made up of man, meaning hands, and cle, meaning small, the word literally means small hands and is used to mean a metal band joined by a chain for fastening a person's hands or ankles. Basically a handcuff used to restrain prisoners. For example, his hands were manacled and he was thrown into prison. Next word, which has a direct relation to manacles, is emancipate. Well, breaking the word down, Sip means to take. E is a prefix meaning out of, and man means hands. So the word literally means to take the hands out of their restraints. And the corresponding image would be that of a handcuff or manacle breaking to free the person. True to its literal meaning, the word means to set free, especially from legal, social or political restrictions. For example, Gandhiji fought for the emancipation of the poor and the downtrodden his entire life. Our next word is manumit, made up of mit, which means to send, and man, meaning hand. This word literally means to send out of the hands and to set free. The word is centuries old and its actual meaning is very close. It means to set free and to release from slavery or servitude. An example sentence would be, in the olden days, in absence of human rights, landlords who employed bonded labor were really reluctant to manumit their slaves. Next tricky word is manifest. The word is made up of two key stems, festus meaning to strike and manu meaning by hand. So it literally means to strike by hand. Well, a tough one to relate, but if you consider that to strike by hand is like to display something clearly by an action, which will be visible to the eyes and palpable. So the word is used as an adjective to refer to something that is clear or obvious to the eye or mind and is easy to understand. For example, her manifest confidence and proven ability made her the favorite of her bosses. Though it can also be used as a verb to mean to show a quality or a feeling by one's acts or appearance, to demonstrate something. For instance, God manifests His presence through the many gifts bestowed on us by nature and destiny. Our next related word is manipulate, and it means to handle or control something like a tool, mechanism, information, etc. in skillful manner. For example, a good manager is one who can manipulate the resources available to him in order to serve the organization's ends. The word is sometimes used in a slightly negative sense to mean to control or influence a person or situation cleverly or unhonestly. And a similar word is maneuver. The word can be used both as a noun and as a verb to refer to a movement or a series of moves requiring skill and care. As a verb, it would mean to move skillfully or carefully. An example sentence for both usages is, in F1 racing, the drivers have to perform many daring maneuvers on dangerous curves. An untrained driver would find it difficult to maneuver the car at these curves, even at regular speeds. Both the words manipulate and maneuver are quite similar when it comes to their second meaning, that is to control or guide someone dishonestly to serve your own ends. For example, in the movie Tangled, the evil witch maneuvers Rapunzel, who is the girl with the golden hair, into believing that she is Rapunzel's mom, so that she could manipulate Rapunzel and use her magical golden hair to stay young forever. And the last word is legerdemain. Leger being a French adjective meaning light, de means of, and main means hand. The word literally means lightness of hand, and it refers to a way of tricking people, usually through sleight of hand. Used as a noun, the word means skillful use of one's hands when performing magic tricks. An example sentence would be, in stage shows, magicians practice legerdemain such as floating bodies in thin air to keep the audiences spellbound. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.